Yo guys, what's up? It's Kitro here again, another video in the car. It's been a few weeks, sorry. Working, all that stuff caught up to me and I couldn't really focus on sitting down and making any ideas for videos. But in the next few days I'll be dropping a few videos. I just need to learn how the YouTube algorithm works. I'm not sure if I drop a video on, let's say, Monday, if I drop another one on Wednesday, will it affect the chances of my first video be saying? I don't know how that works yet. I'm fairly new to posting more than once a week. Back in the day when I used to make video game videos, I used to post like once every few months. You know, I used to accumulate clips that I really like because I was a perfectionist, and then put them all together and make a video out of it, and it used to take me at least a month. But now that I can make videos with my camera strapped on my head about my car, about my life, I can make videos more frequently, and I don't know how to do that yet, but I'm learning. But yeah, to continue on, this video today is about the upgrades that I want to do to my GTR, and then the upgrades that I need to do. To tell you a bit about my car, I have as I've said it thousands of times probably before, I have a 2013 R35 GTR Black Edition. I bought it used back in May with 13k miles on it. It ran great. It had a little iffiness, but I got it fixed, which was the tune. What's in this car when I first purchased it, sorry, is Cobb intake, Meistershop exhaust, Cobb tune, new fuel injectors, E85 flex fuel kit, and I think that's it. So I've already put in around $3,000 in the tints that I put in this car, and also retuning it, adding the burbles that I have on it, but I'm gonna take those out because I don't think there's a point in them anymore. They were fun for the first week or two, but the burbles, for me, I don't like creating that much noise. I don't like being that much of a noise nuisance for me. So I want to take those out next time I retune it, which will be when I replace the turbos, but that's the thing that I need to do. I got it retuned. We are not running E85 on this car, even though it has a flex fuel kit there. We're not running E85 yet, and there's a reason why. And what else? This car, with all that it has in mods, could be running 800 horsepower, maybe 750 to 800 horsepower. Okay, now because my turbos are dying essentially, and what I mean by dying, when we were tuning this car, when my mechanics were tuning this car and they were running it on the dyno and pulling it, the turbos were causing a black smoke to come out of the exhaust. Okay, now that means that according to their graph, the turbos were working like 40 or 50% harder than it should be to reach the speed that it was reaching. Okay, so the turbos are kind of wasted. The previous owner put 13k miles. He had it as a drag car. He obviously stripped all the modded parts, put in the stock parts to sell it for a better price, and now we're here with what we got. He left the stock turbos on. So what I need to do by the next 2 years, I have 2 years because the turbos are a little weakened, we decided to drop the horsepower. We limited the horsepower from 800 to around 550. So basically a stock GTR with the fuel injectors, the big fuel injectors, with a new intake, with everything. We decided to drop it down to 550 horsepower, so the turbos could last longer, because I obviously cannot just go ahead and purchase $10,000 worth of turbos and labor and all that stuff. But basically, the turbos that I'm planning to buy are these right here, the Pure 1000 turbos. They could put my car up to I think a 900 horsepower, 1000 horsepower, but I'm gonna leave it at 800 because I'm gonna stick to the same transmission, the GR6, and my same engine for now. Although I don't have any plans on changing the engine. I do have plans of upgrading my transmission, but that's maybe 5-6 years down the line. For the next 2 years, I would like to get these Pure 1000 turbos. Sorry, it's very hard focusing on the road talking, and this fucking camera on my forehead is so annoying. I hate this camera setup, and I'm gonna get a new one, regardless, like whatever. I'm gonna get the Pure 1000 turbos with some downpipes, and I'm gonna go up to 800, and I'll probably be good in terms of the internals of this car, good to go for the next few years, because I don't want to make this car a drag car. I'm not interested. A lot of people that have GTRs here where I'm at, they like dragging it. It's a really heavy car, so you don't really track it, so they just run it down the strip. I'm not interested in that. I like dailying my car. I like my car for pictures. I like taking my car to car shows and talking to enthusiasts that are just like me about their cars and my cars. That's what I'm into. I'm not really into that fast life, and I don't have the financials to be thinking about possible things to replace and fix and repair if I do get into dragging. So I'm not interested in any of that. So yeah, I'm good with keeping it at 800 horsepower, honestly. I do want to get a transmission upgrade in the future. And maybe if, like, you know, the money comes in, if my future business ideas that I've been working on so hard lately work out, then maybe I also work, you know, on the engine. I start having fun. But for now, I just need this car to run, to be a good daily, and to be able to not be so scared of crashing straight into a tree and dying. You know what I mean? But yeah, basically I need the Pure 1000 with some downpipes. These guys ever talked to me about coilovers, lowering the car, using spacers to push the wheels out. That stuff is definitely on some for fun type of stuff. I'm not really, you know what I mean? I like how it looks right now. I actually took this fire picture. Look at that. That's a nice picture, right? I took that picture. I was returning my Tesla lease and getting a new one. We just turned in the Model X and got the Model Y. Anyways, and now we're gonna go to the things that I want to do to this car. So the first thing I want to do is mostly just externally. Okay, these wheels are nice, but I want to replace them for TE37s in like a gunmetal, like silver type of color. I would love those. And then with that, I'm planning to get a full body PPF, a ceramic coating, and those two things combined are gonna run me like $6,200. Just for the PPF is $5K, as I'm told. I've only checked one source. Once I get near to like the, yeah, I could buy this like feeling, I'll look at other sources. But my source, the same guy that did my window tints, says $5K. And if I want to make it satin black, $6. But I'm not gonna do satin black. I like it glossy. I like the metallic color that I'm getting off this car right now. So I'll probably do a full body PPF and the ceramic coating. I just ordered from GT House clamps because there's a small exhaust leak at the end of the exhaust near the rear tires. So I'm gonna get those replaced with my cousin. And that's pretty much it, man. Again, I'm really blessed to have a car like this. This car is awesome. Dream come true. It's rare for a man to say that I'm driving one of my dream cars. My top 3 cars is this car, the R35 GTR, a Lexus LFA. I feel like I'm like kind of basic, and then a GT2 RS. Those are my 3. Like if I had to pick a 3-car garage, it'd be those 3. Yep, nothing for kids, I guess. No kid seats. I mean, you know what? You can fit a kid in the GTR. I could fit a kid back there. Okay, the GTR is the perfect family car. Let me tell you. But yeah, it is a rather quick one. These are the upgrades I need to do. The new turbos, the downpipes that I'm gonna connect with the turbos, retune it again, take off the burbles, make it run maybe 800 horsepower with what it's got. And yeah, that's pretty much it for what I need to do to the car. And then what I want to do would be the PPF and the carbon ceramic coating, which will run around 6K. So if we add all of it together, I'm putting in maybe, in the next 3 years, I'm putting in $18,000 into this car. When I tell my coworkers that and my friends that, they ask me, they tell me, what's the point of buying this car if you're going to put this much money into it? Off just buying it. And they just don't get it. They don't understand the love I have for cars. I just love my car. I love this car. I want it to last forever. This isn't a car that I'm planning to trade in for anything. The only way I could ever trade in this car is if someone offered me a 2024 T-Spec GTR. Realistically, I don't ever want to not have, after I have my GTR, I don't ever want to not have a GTR in my collection. It's an amazing car. Was it a silly purchase? Could I have bought in better things, invested, and 5 years down the line, bought myself my GTR? Yes. But I don't regret this. I don't regret it. I will never say I do, because I genuinely think that if you're young and you have the chance to buy a sports car, and you're not going to be completely stumped out of money if you buy if you buy a car, finance it, lease it, whatever it may be, Corvette, this, anything. If you want it and you're young, get it. Don't wait until you're 50 to buy your dream car. If you have the opportunity to do so, get it. And if you don't, work day and night restlessly until you can. That's how I see it. Because I know I bought this car a little young, but this car is not only such a cool car to drive and to just take pictures of and just to say I own it, but it's also an amazing motivator. It's an amazing, like, you see this car in your driveway and you're like, yeah, no, I need to make more money because I want to have more cars like this. I want more, you know? But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I think this is a rather short video. Just kind of just recording my thoughts. Kind of just recording something. I'm kind of running out of ideas because I don't have enough money to be putting any time into this car in terms of like upgrades. But like, I haven't really spoken about everything, at least about this car, so I gotta figure out my content. I will be dropping a video on Skate on Wednesday. I think this one will be dropping on Monday when I finish editing it. I will be dropping a video on Skate, and then next week a video on Tesla cars, because like I said, I just turned in my Model X for a Model Y, and now for the next few days I'll be driving a Model Y, and I'm gonna see the differences of like if the Model X is worth it or not compared to a Model Y. Like, should he buy a Model X, or should you save yourself $50,000 and instead get yourself a Model Y? You know? So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'd like to thank you all. If you guys sat through this video, I'd like to thank you for watching it. If you have any input on what upgrades you think would be cool for a GTR, if you have a GTR yourself, if you have any ideas that you've done to your car, any upgrades that you've done to your car, and you want to, you know, recommend me some, if you want me to research some stuff, please send me anything, you know. And then if you got to this point, I have a question. What's your favorite car? What's your top 3 list of your favorite cars? It could be anything. Give me your top 3. All right. Thank you guys again for watching. Please like if you've enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're new. It'd be awesome. And also, here it is. Check out my Twitch. I try my best to stream every day. Every day. Right now, I'm basically playing Kovacs. I like aim training. I'm playing Warzone. And I'm playing Dying Light 2. Dying Like the Beast. They just came out. So I'm playing those 3 games. But yeah. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.